Okay, the Stihl 048 AB electronic. Turns out it was a limited edition or special edition, and they didn't make a lot of them. I think is because it was the first one for a few features. And I think what I'm doing is getting intermittent sparking. So either I have a grounded wire someplace or the coil's going bad. I think it's the coil going bad. One day when it was really hot, it would not run, which was unlike this saw. So, time to change the coil. The problem is you don't get a coil like this. I can't find any replacements for it. Now, I did find a coil that looks very similar. Does not have this bottom part, but has all this. It is for the 048 AV, but apparently not the electronic because it does look different. But maybe it still is. So I'm going to, looks to me like the ground wire for the switch over here comes through here, down to here, underneath the flywheel, back out to the coil. So what does it, is it grounding? I don't know what it's doing underneath there. I think there's a chip underneath there. But what I'm going to do is, I think what I'm going to do is cut it here, right there. And I'm going to mount this back on, pull the wires out of the way, and see if it, see how it runs. And then, well, I might not even put it all back together. I might just see if I have spark at that point. But even then, I really don't want to even put this thing back in. So I think what I'm going to do is cut it off, put the new one in, and the other one only has a wire to go to the shut-off switch. But honestly, I don't even have a shut-off switch on this saw anymore. I haven't for years and years because of the issues with it. So I don't even think I'm going to hook up that wire. I'll just hook in the coil, see if I have spark, and we'll go from there. And if this works, I'll explain why and what I'm doing. If it doesn't, we'll have to learn some more. I might have to call a cousin who's done a lot of work on saws and consult and go from there. We have Maya and Ava hanging out here. Looks like Maya found a toy here. Okay, let's try it out.